Hi, ready to get a little smarter? Do you know what this means?
The first definition of payment. A payment or procedure for paying someone or something. For example, ask for a discount for payment by cash. The second definition of payment. A payment or a payable amount. For example, an interim compensation payment of $2,500. American pronunciation. Payment. Payment. Repeat the word after me. As you repeat the word, keep the definition in mind to train your brain to master it. Payment. Say. Payment. Payment means action or process of paying person or thing. Payment. Payment. Payment origin. Late Middle English is derived from Old French payment, meaning payer, to be paid. Practice. Listen to what I say, then pause the video and repeat after me. Train your brain to master this word. Let's begin. The first practice. Many stores will accept payment by check or postal order. Now, repeat after me. Many stores will accept payment by check or postal order. The second practice. Each jurisdiction has its various clearing and settlement systems for payment. Now, repeat after me. Each jurisdiction has its various clearing and settlement systems for payment. Visual representation of payment. Payment means a payment or procedure for paying someone or something.
Good job! Now you're way smarter. Subscribe right now and learn another new word every day.